Hi, my name is Sugandho. I would like to say a few words about a workshop that I'm teaching, which is dealing with the theme of change. The workshop is called Embracing Change, which is a very relevant theme these days for everybody. The way I'm approaching this topic is through the map of the chakras. For example, we're going to be using different energy centers like the heart, Hara, the third eye, to find an inner connection to our resources that we already have when we're facing the challenges of change. Even changes that we want to happen are challenging. Additionally, we will be using the center of the throat to connect us and to help us look into beliefs and our belief system. What have we learned? What are the influences that work inside of us when we are dealing with challenges of change? What have we learned to believe in? And this will be done in a also very playful way, a creative way, expressive way. So the workshop combines a playful, creative approach with connecting to our sensitivity, connecting to our inner resourcefulness. I'd be very happy seeing you in one of the workshops coming up.